Attention entrepreneurs and side hustle seekers. Are you ready to unlock a goldmine hiding in plain sight on YouTube? Imagine transforming those mindless scrolling sessions into a cash-generating machine, pulling in up to $500 daily. Yes, you heard that right. $500 a day, even as a complete beginner in 2024. This isn't a far-fetched dream. It's the reality for savvy creators who've cracked the code of YouTube Shorts monetization. Forget everything you think you know about making money on YouTube. We're about to reveal a strategy so powerful, so accessible, that it's revolutionizing the online income game. Whether you have 0 subscribers or 1 million, this method levels the playing field. Buckle up, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover how to turn 60-second videos into a serious income stream. Welcome to Wealth Walk, where we're about to walk you through the shortcut to YouTube riches. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't have too many subscribers. Don't worry. This method works regardless of your subscriber count or view numbers. You don't need to be YouTube famous to make this work. In fact, we'll be showcasing channels that started from 0 just a few months ago and have now skyrocketed to over 1 million subscribers, transforming from earning nothing to pulling in over $500 daily in passive income. Let's begin with understanding what YouTube Shorts are. Think of them as YouTube's answer to TikTok, vertically oriented videos up to 60 seconds long. These bite-sized content pieces have exploded in popularity, accumulating over 5 trillion views in recent months, according to YouTube's CEO. This makes Shorts an incredibly powerful tool for growing a new channel from scratch, offering the fastest and easiest path to YouTube growth. However, there's a catch. YouTube's official monetization program for Shorts, the $100 million Shorts Fund, isn't as lucrative as it sounds. To put it in perspective, you'd need a staggering 600 million views to earn just $10,000. That's an incredibly low return on investment for your time and effort. But don't despair. We're about to reveal an alternative monetization strategy that can earn you significantly more, even with a fraction of those views. This method is so effective that channels are making hundreds of dollars daily without relying on traditional ad revenue. Let's look at some success stories. Take the channel Vlog Squad World. They simply repost popular TikTok content daily, with minimal effort on titles or descriptions. In just 1 year, they've grown from 0 to over 300,000 subscribers. While their estimated ad revenue might be low, they're leveraging a secret strategy to earn hundreds daily. Another example is Viral Block. This channel exploded from 0 to over 1 million subscribers in less than a year, also by reposting TikTok content. They're not creating original content, just curating and reposting popular shorts. This low-effort approach allows them to post multiple shorts daily, fueling rapid growth. Viral Tech Talk and Viral Quince follow similar strategies, growing to hundreds of thousands of subscribers in just over a year. These channels are pulling in millions of views monthly, translating to substantial earnings through our alternative monetization method. Now you might be wondering about copyright issues. Here's the key. Always credit the original content creator in your video description. Provide an email address where creators can contact you if they want a video removed. In reality, most original creators appreciate the extra exposure as you're expanding their reach to a new platform at no cost to them. Take it as advertisement to them. This approach often leads to mutually beneficial relationships, with some creators even reaching out for collaborations. Remember, in the digital world, increased visibility can be just as valuable as monetary compensation. So, how do you create a channel like this? It's simpler than you might think. Start by browsing TikTok or Instagram Reels for trending content. Use the hashtag FYP on TikTok to find viral videos. Once you've found a video, copy its link and use a TikTok downloader tool, easily found through a Google search, to save the video to your device. Then, upload it to YouTube as a short, making sure to credit the original creator in the description. The entire process takes less than 20 seconds per video. Aim to post 5-10 videos daily. Consistency is key. Stick with this strategy for several months, and you're likely to see exponential growth as some of your shorts go viral. Now, here's the million-dollar question. How do these channels monetize their content? The secret lies in brand deals, sponsorships, and community posts. As your channel grows, you'll start receiving offers from brands wanting to reach your audience. These deals can be incredibly lucrative, with some channels charging between $500 to $1,500 for a single community post. To attract these opportunities, simply include a business email in your channel's About section. As your subscriber count grows, you'll start receiving inquiries from brands eager to collaborate. This method allows you to monetize your audience without relying on YouTube's often unpredictable ad revenue. As we move further into 2024, it's important to note that the landscape of YouTube Shorts is evolving rapidly. The platform is continuously updating its algorithm and features to enhance user experience and creator opportunities. Here are some additional tips to stay ahead of the curve. 1. Leverage YouTube's new features. Keep an eye out for new tools and features YouTube introduces for Shorts creators. For example, they might roll out new editing capabilities or collaboration options. Being an early adopter of these features can give you an edge. 2. Diversify your content sources. While TikTok is a great source for viral content, don't limit yourself. Explore other platforms like Instagram Reels, Triller, or even emerging social media apps. This diversity can help you tap into different audience segments. 3. Engage with your audience. Don't just post and forget. Respond to comments, create polls in your community tab, and ask your viewers what kind of content they want to see. This engagement can boost your channel's visibility in the algorithm. 4. Optimize for search. Even though Shorts are discoverable through the Shorts feed, don't neglect SEO. Use relevant keywords in your titles and descriptions to make your content more discoverable through search. 5. Analyze your performance. Regularly check your YouTube analytics to understand which types of content perform best. Look for patterns in the videos that go viral and try to replicate that success. 6. Stay on top of trends. The world of short-form content moves fast. What's trending today might be old news tomorrow. Stay active on various social media platforms to quickly identify and capitalize on emerging trends. 7. Consider creating original content. While reposting is a great way to start, consider mixing in some original content as your channel grows. This can help you build a unique brand identity and potentially lead to even more lucrative opportunities. 8. Network with other creators. Collaborate with other Shorts creators in your niche. This can help you cross-pollinate audiences and accelerate your growth. 9. Explore multi-platform strategies. As your YouTube Shorts channel grows, consider expanding to other platforms. This multi-platform presence can make you more attractive to brands for sponsorship deals. 10. Be patient and persistent. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It might take months of consistent posting before you see significant results. Don't get discouraged if growth is slow at first. Keep pushing forward. In conclusion, this YouTube Shorts strategy offers a low-effort, high-reward path to online income. By consistently posting curated content, building your audience, and leveraging that audience for brand deals, you can create a substantial income stream. Remember, patience and persistence are key. While the process is simple, it takes time to build momentum and see results. If you're excited to embark on this YouTube Shorts journey, remember that Wealth Walk is here to guide you every step of the way. We're committed to bringing you the latest and most effective strategies for online success. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more invaluable insights into the world of online money making. Your financial freedom might just be a short away.